In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a KMZ file in Google Earth Pro. So the first thing you have to do, of course, when you open Google Earth Pro, you want to go to Places over here on the left, and you want to create an organization folder. Now in here, we're going to organize everything we're then going to create inside our KMZ file. So I'm going to right click on My Places, hover over Add, and click on Folder. Then I'm going to name this one folder Tutorial for now, and I'm going to click on OK. As you can see, we have the folder over here, which is inside My Places, and that's perfect. Now we can just select it, and you can start adding your mapping data. So it could be whatever. It could be like place marks. You could, of course, put in polygons, paths, whatever. I'm just going to put on a place mark, which is going to go somewhere over here. So, for example, I'm going to do place mark like this, and I'm actually going to go and change its icon to this. There we go. And now I'm going to just put it like that. So that's going to be fine. And then, okay, we have one thing. I'm going to create a very simple polygon, like around here, for example. There we go. Okay. And then I'm also going to add like a path over here. Okay. So that's going to be it. Of course, you can do whatever you want, take as much time as you need, but whenever you've done this, whenever you've added your mapping data, you can then export this folder as a KMZ file and therefore create a KMZ file. So right click on your folder, and then you want to click on here where it says Save Place As, and as you can see over here, you can go and change this to KMZ. So if it's not KMZ, if it's KML, switch over to KMZ. You can give it a name, and where you want to save this, click on Save, and there we go. You've successfully created a KMZ file directly in here inside, of course, Google Earth Pro. Now, if I were to delete this, for example, which I'm going to do it right now, like this, there we go. You can, of course, import it. So if I click on File, Open, you can find your KMZ file, click on Open, and there we go. We have the KMZ file in here, and as you can see, there's exactly what I put on there. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.